So, are you having trouble sticking to a diet? You're not alone. While there is no shortage of miracle drinks and potions promising to help you lose weight instantly, there are handful beverages that can help you burn fats. However, most of these require you to change your diet and lifestyle as well. If you're looking for a quick fix, you're out of luck. There are no magic drinks that will help you lose weight without making other changes. But, if you're willing to make some changes, there are several drinks that can help you burn fat. Here are 5 drinks that can help you lose weight. 1. Green tea. Green tea is a great drink for burning fat because it is calorie-free, full of antioxidants and nutrients that help boost metabolism. Drinking green tea regularly can help you lose weight and keep it off. The caffeine and catechins it contains can boost your metabolism and increase fat burning. Additionally, research indicates that consuming green tea can help you burn an additional 75 to 100 calories per day. 2. Coffee. Coffee is another calorie-free drink that can help you lose weight. Coffee is a great drink for burning fat because it contains caffeine. Caffeine is a natural stimulant that has been shown to increase metabolism and promote fat loss. Drinking coffee before a workout can also help to burn more fat. The best option for weight loss is to drink your coffee black. This way, you can avoid adding unnecessary calories from sugar or cream and still enjoy the rich flavor of your coffee. 3. Ginger tea. Ginger tea is a popular choice for those looking to burn fat. Ginger tea has been shown to be an effective weight loss tool due to its medicinal properties that help eliminate fluid retention and boost metabolism. This tea is also known to help boost metabolism and increase thermogenesis, both of which can help the body burn more calories. Additionally, ginger tea is a great source of antioxidants and can help to reduce inflammation throughout the body. 4. Green juice. One of the most popular weight loss juices is green juice. Green juices are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Green juice typically contains ingredients like green fruits, leafy vegetables, and cruciferous vegetables, such as spinach, green apples, celery, and kale. Vegetable juice is a great way to help burn fat. The nutrients in vegetables help to boost metabolism and promote fat burning. You can also add a bit of ginger or garlic for an extra fat-burning boost. 5. Water for fat burning. Yes, drinking water is one of the best things you can do for quick weight loss. It increases your metabolism and fills you up so you eat less. It also flushes out toxins and helps your body function more efficiently. Drinking plenty of water is essential for weight loss. It helps to keep you hydrated and feeling full, so you are less likely to snack on unhealthy foods. Drink at least 8 glasses a day for best results. So, those are the 5 drinks that can help you to burn fats. Burning fat can be quite challenging, but with the help of these drinks and a little determination, it is possible. Try adding these 5 drinks into your diet to help give your metabolism a boost and start seeing results. If you enjoyed our video, kindly press the subscribe button for more tips like this. Thank you for watching, and see you again in the next video.